Shibnobi, a crypto company from Texas, is among a swath of cryptocurrencies attempting to release a suite of DeFi, NFT, and metaverse products. The team at Shibnobi are hoping its ecosystem will be enough to set it apart, though, with its Shiba Inu-style logo, it easily blends into the rest of its competition. A focus on accessibility and safety is Shibnobi's plan on reeling in demand, but not everyone is buying into these claims, as CertiK initially found major issues with Shibnobi's smart contract. How will this affect the trading price of Shinja, and what is the latest Shibnobi price prediction? Shibnobi is a crypto company with a mission to make a community-driven ecosystem that will pave the way for the next generation of investors. Simplicity and safety are being prioritized, the company says, with its aim to make the crypto space fairer and more informative for the average investor. It was founded by Cliff Fettner and someone identified publicly only as Luke C. Fettner's LinkedIn profile says he had previously worked as an IT manager at the warehouse automation company Carter Intralogistics. Luke has not provided his last name and is currently working at another crypto project titled the Crypt Space. The company is hoping to achieve its safety goals through creating real-world accountability of the projects it is partnering with. This will be done, it says, via Know Your Customer and business checks. None of Shibnobi's ecosystem of products has been released yet, though there are 4 projects in the works. The white paper, in a fine example of corporate waffle, said, Shibnobi strongly believes that by creating strong utility within its ecosystem for its end users in particular, it will drive sentiment and user adoption that would incentivize projects to join the Shibnobi ecosystem. Dojoswap is Shibnobi's native exchange, designed, the company says, to be a user-friendly tool for trading. The exchange will be using liquidity pools powered by investors, which it is hoping will enable easy trades across different networks. The dojoswap will be accompanied by Shibnobi's own wallet. It plans on being one of the securest online wallets through a 3-factor authentication system. Shibnobi has not expanded on what these 3 factors will be, aside from a code sent via an authenticator mobile app. There are also plans to release a blockchain designed specifically for Shibnobi. This network will have higher transaction speeds and lower fees compared to Ethereum. But it is looking like the Shibnobi blockchain will go live in third quarter 2022, which could be after the new Ethereum update, which is addressing these problems. The dojoverse is the final piece of Shibnobi's ecosystem. This metaverse is said to be using NFTs to give its community a place to socialize and game. Its white paper said, the feudal Japan-themed Shibnobi metaverse is expected to be expanded into a full virtual reality experience, allowing access to its ecosystem tooling in fun and gamified ways. Aside from the dojoverse 2023 release date, the rest of Shibnobi's ecosystem is due to launch by the end of this year. Shibnobi has also announced plans to rebrand the network, but the response has been largely negative on Twitter. Shibnobi Shinja cryptocurrency is a utility token designed to power its ecosystem. It will be the payment choice for economic transactions as well as for users to access premium features, such as exclusive metaverse items, the company says. Shinja is currently on the Ethereum blockchain as an ERC20 token, as the team found it was the easiest network to create smart contracts. However, when the Shibnobi blockchain launches next year, investors will be able to migrate to the new network with very little complexity. Although Shibnobi boasts of being a safe and secure platform, the CertiK has found otherwise. The 4 major issues discovered by the audit were all related to centralization risks. The audit found the owner has control over certain functions of the token, such as setting fees and transferring ownership. CertiK also discovered the Shinja tokens were minted to a centralized address, which could pose risks if it was hacked, although these centralization issues have since been resolved. Swift price reversals are also causing concern for investors, with inconsistent pricing suggesting the asset is a high-risk option. CertiK has made recommendations for Shibnobi to avoid these risks. But the crypto project is yet to take its advice and resolve the issues. The audit is not the only difficulty facing Shibnobi and a future Shinja price prediction. The token has a tiny price tag, making it difficult to keep track of its history or to produce a Shibnobi price prediction for 2022 and beyond. CoinMarketCap says the price of Shinja is $0, a few trillionths of a cent, at the time of this video. However, all of its historical data says the token is under $0.000000000001. It is a similar story with the Shinja coin price prediction. There are sites like Digital Coin Price that have a Shibnobi price prediction for 2025 among other years, but all of the values are $0. PricePrediction.net even has a Shibnobi price prediction for 2030, but does not think it will pass $0. The small price point of Shibnobi's token could act as a barrier. Potential holders may struggle to invest when there is a lack of clarity over the token's price history, as well as rapid trend reversals without any on-chain developments. Shibnobi has ambitious plans, saying that an exchange, wallet, blockchain and metaverse will be released within the next 2 years. Even if Shibnobi is able to pull off its roadmap, however, it still has other difficulties to deal with. The tiny price point and the centralization risks could raise barriers for investors. In a recent 24-hour reading in July, Shinja rose 3.4% over a 24-hour period, according to CoinMarketCap. However, CoinGecko reported an increase of 5% but reports it trading down by 44% over the past 30 days. It is therefore exceedingly difficult to see whether or not the token will gain enough momentum to guarantee a spot in the crowded DeFi and metaverse markets.